Yes, straight up. And welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. And now that is their simple edition now. They'll carry come. Well, they give now all the gist we will discuss from Monday, reach, and yesterday will be Thursday. I will still get that is Engineer Oluremi Omowaye for house, and it's the address on this particular issues we will not drop down. And right about now, we ask him the issue of the doctor strike matter. Engineer, how you go take react to this particular one?
Well, this is very simple. I want to beg the doctors to, especially the resident doctors, to move this country forward. Not be Buhari alone go do am. Now collective responsibility.
True.
The last serious minister for health, apologies to anybody we no want, when we get for Nigeria now, Olukoye Ransom Kuti. The person when can't date there now, Professor Adewale, the first thing when that guy do, when I know say, he know what he want to be say, he want to revive primary health care center. You know, part of our problem in Nigeria is, if you get headache, you go teaching hospital.
True.
If you not feel sleep, na teaching hospital. You are supposed to stay at the primary health care level. If they cannot undo it, you go to secondary health care. Then before the teaching hospital.
Yes.
Now there's so much pressure on the teaching hospital. There's so much pressure on the resident doctor. And what everybody is now thinking is salary increase, salary increase. That was why if you look at last year's budget, 85% now for the current expenditure, just salary. So when this new minister come struggle, make him 70, like 70-30. Then he come they beg them, say, we need to do a lot of things, make we cooperate. He don't come identify some of the problems, say, we have to do this, we have to do this, we have to do this. So with that, we'll move forward. For example, now, I know they are on strike in Lut. And I was shocked when I discovered, saying, Lut, they don't build one thing. When we say they go, they generate power themselves. They're not going to rely on national grid.
Okay.
So the implication be say, once they finish that project, lights not going to go again.
For there, okay.
So for there. And I know, say, once they don't start time like this, every other teaching hospital go, they copy them. One thing when go shock you, we say, oxygen, when we see natural, most of our hospitals, they go buy them. When we say, what they're supposed to be say, one small machine go there, it go carry them from inside here, it go carry the oxygen come out. And I know, say, the minister for health now don't tell all of them, say, now waiting now must do be that. So I want to beg them, because we get minister for health, we understand our problem, and the little thing when he don't show, say he know the problem and he know how to solve it, make them cooperate with them. Because part of how we lose serious money in our medical tourism, when we say anything do it like this, you go abroad. So make them cooperate with them. Make they join other Nigerians, pay sacrifice small. I know say the speaker don't intervene, and I know say the government don't talk, say they go do some things. But make a beg. One thing they when go shock you. Now Nigeria, the second country, when you get highest, where they call maternal rate, as speaking they die when they born them. So make they cooperate with this government. The Minister for Health and the Minister for State, they understand the problem well. And the little step when they don't take, show say this one's one work. So the president, make the president just give them will, make the doctors cooperate, so that we just pay the sacrifice a little more. And by the time they build all those primary health care, if you look the budget now, they go build several primary health care centers. That should say these things go work the more. So make they just cooperate with the government. Small, now small remain. So that at the end of the day, people when they travel abroad go reduce. People when they die indiscriminately go reduce. And at the end of the day, whether you be PDP or you be APC or you be LP, this thing, now all of us go enjoy them.
Very, very true. I like the way you take approach this particular issue, because we know, say, for Nigeria, you get misconception. You self go down here, like all of us, here, say the reward of teacher, it's in the heaven. And we don't come accept that for Nigeria when we say people go to work, they don't go feel accept anything. But the way you take address this issue, you don't talk and clear, say there is light at the end of the tunnel. And all of us supposed to exercise patience, because we get government when they committed to doing work, make we see better thing for inside this country. And make we just wrap up all the things we carry come from Monday to Thursday. You don't break record, because the way you take answer the questions now straightforward. Make we go into one when we say it is very, very important. And I know say the thing touch you well, because for inside the Nigerian Tribune newspaper of Wednesday 22nd June, you write one article inside where they call the Osun hijab brouhaha matters arising. That is to say, the wahala when we say people they wear hijab, go school for inside Osun, the thing cause the real cocoa or the real matter when they inside that particular issue. And make I just come from this angle. Especially when we say that insider, you sabi the thing like snake happen inside Osun State, you go school for inside Osun State, you see as things they happen. Some of us, now what we hear outside, now be the issue. I go like make you just start from maybe the genesis of this particular issue, just drop them down so that we'll get the clear position of the situation.
Thank you, my brother. I won't beg viewers at all. You see, for Nigeria, we they attach a lot, plenty sentiment to our religion. But I want beg viewers, say, make we just the objective of this thing. We get governor for Osun.
You go good, you even tell them say you be Christian. No?
I be Christian.
Thank you.
When be Ogbeni Aregbesola. I can't look the man sote. They go tell you say the one Islamatize Nigeria. He get wife. In wife not the wear hijab. He only daughter not the wear hijab. Wives of several governors they wear hijab, but in one wife not the wear hijab. The person when come follow him, mama, papa, pikin, when follow him for back. Na Christian missionary. He can't get brother Ladi Aregbesola when be pastor. He get one when be my friend Rafiu Aregbesola in the go winners. So this man not feel Islamatize in family. He go come Islamatize Nigeria. He can't pay me say the dimension where you can't they take this thing go. It not good. I be Christian and I can't tell can say which one I do not good. For Lagos State, the Muslim go court say we won't begin use hijab. High court can't give judgment say no. The Muslim just carry themselves. They go appeal. For Osun, the government can't talk say okay, we not use hijab for schools, except schools when we say it get Muslim bias.
Somehow.
Now the Muslim can't come say no, we not agree. Aregbesola talk say no. Now waiting they be that. Now not use hijab. The Muslim under the aegis of Muslim Student Association and the Muslim community for 2013 can't go court say that they infringe on their rights. As they can't reach court, they can't there, they drag them 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. High Court can't give judgment say, according to Section 38 of Nigerian Constitution, say the government not do well. Say anybody wey wan wear hijab, make him wear. I go try read am, make our people understand. So maybe say I dey quote for head. Every person shall be entitled to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, including freedom to change his religion or belief, and either alone, in community, or in public or in private, to manifest and propagate his religion or believe in worship, teaching, practice, and observance. So you can't talk say is they wrong? Waiting government talk. Say so any student wey wan wear hijab go school, he wear hijab.
Because na him right.
Na so Osun can converse. Say okay, they go talk say make their students they wear choir robe, garment go school. One particular school come dey, they call am Baptist High School for Iwo. Now so about 10 students come wear choir robe, this thing come go school. 9 people begin laugh. Wetin converse me be say we get over 600,000 students for public school. Now just about 10 do that drama. We get about over 2,000 schools for Osun. Now just one school this thing for happen. And it don't happen one time like that too. Now that same school. Me I come dey talk say wetin our Bible tell us we say make we not disobey constituted authorities. Say except that authority wan make you miss the kingdom of God or make you sin against God.
True.
I can't ask some of our leaders say how putting on hijab could disturb
Wetin the pikin dey learn.
the pikin dey learn, or how it go make me not enter the kingdom of God. Anybody who want put hijab, make you put am. I can't give example for that article when I write say the school when I go for Ibadan, they call am Baptist Secondary School, Okeado Ibadan. For that school, that time it was compulsory say you go do IRK and BK.
Okay.
So as a Christian, Muslim, you must do IRK and BK. The Muslim, they get praying ground for school. The girl, when they sit down in front of me, they use hijab. So anybody not see them as problem. So I can't they appeal to can say, waiting can supposed to be say, make them not instigate these students, make them disobey authority.
Okay.
But make them go court of appeal.
Okay.
So that if court of appeal comes and say, okay, now we know, I've been at BO.
Exactly.
Anybody if you go Supreme Court, so you still have that windows.
Okay.
So instead of causing problem.
Okay. May I bring up from this angle? We know one step where the governor take that and when he merge schools together. He merge schools together. So for me, I notice say maybe now waiting probably if he stir up this whole thing. Going by facts, okay, but also okay, look if come out from there, bring her to this angle. So, okay, schools where people they me would they particular school would they wear normal uniform? You be Christian, I be Muslim. You understand? And you can't be say they see you I they see you normally as person we say we don't
now part of the means.
But then what did it say be that same orientation what it say picking go they get the moment that particular system don't change. You say, okay, suddenly the person who they see as my close friend, I don't they enter the extremist level of that particular religion. And going by the fact, say, before then, there was nothing like that in this state.
Okay, make I explain this. You see, we did do one mistake about these schools. They call some schools. For that thing when Aregbesola takes ban hijab for school, he talk say some school na missionary. Missionary Christian Muslim school. The court come talk say there's nothing like missionary public school or Islamic public school. This document when I hold, they call them the Post-Primary Public Institution Acquisition of Land and Property Edit of 1975. This document come talk say the government hereby acquires for public purpose absolutely the ownership of any land or any other property being used for the purpose of or in connection with running of any post-primary public institution in the state. And such land or other property shall without further assurance be deemed to have invested in the government as from the appointed date, 1975. The beginning of it say Baptist High School, whoa, Muslim Grammar School, Elisha, everything now. Government school. True. And a government money that they use to fund them. When government can't do anything they call reclassification, the government can't be careful, say, we not go carry Islamic high school, go meet Baptist high school.
True.
Okay.
So they can't try and look, say, okay, there's this small Anglican school for this place. Make them go meet Baptist. Okay. So the government, not at any time,
join two schools where they no join.
So it not day. And this thing, we say, especially for Yoruba land. I don't give instance and say the governor, his sister, Christian. I know two of him brother, Christian. One of them are pastor. One they mission feed, they do everything. So we they live, we they cohabit together in peace. So make we not stress ourselves. I can't talk one thing yesterday for one pastor. I say there's this feeding program when we they do for Osun, when they want start for Nigeria. They can't talk say they go they feed 5.5 million primary school pupils every day. For Osun, we they do about 270,000 pupils every day. And once a week, they chop egg. I can't tell the pastor, say, what do I expect any serious organization for Nigeria we can do now? We say, that 5.5 million egg when these children, when they chop every week, where we go get them from? True. Not forget, say, peace don't they northeast. You know, say that they consume egg well for those northeast, so they go chop chai, chop everything. Peace don't they there now. Business go they return. So consumption for egg will increase. Some you both gonna come say, now life say egg, make we not they chop, make I don't they chop. Exactly. Say now life say you fit chop as month. So that one on his own will increase consumption of egg. Then the federal government come they start feeding program, 5.5 million. Where we go get that egg from? Exactly. By the time we start, now you go know say na wahala. So opportunity don't open. So what I expect can make them do so. Say, hey, Baptist, see, now make we contribute money, go open one big factory, make we begin supply government. Muslim, Ahmadiyya, something, make them come together and say, make we tap into this. Because at that time, na need, na opportunity, whether you be PDP, whether you be traditional worshipper, once the government needs the egg, now from you they go buy. Exactly. So now wetin I expect say we supposed to be that. This issue, simple. High Court don't give judgment. Make them just approach appeal court. They don't go do that one yesterday now for stay of execution. So anything when appeal court you talk, anybody when not they sacrifice, make him go.
Make you go
Supreme Court. Waiting they important now. Now how we go move this country forward?
Very, very true. Engineer, we get Oga Agbef. Oga Agbef, they call us all the way from Makurdi, Benue State. Oga Agbef, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Agbef, good morning.
Oga Agbef, you there? Be like say the network no gree Oga I beg, if you want call us, try reduce the volume of your television anywhere where you call us from Obodo Nigeria or Obodo the world to contribute for this particular discussion when we discuss. So, but engineer, make I ask this question: why e be say religion don't come get plenty roots for inside Nigeria? When we say most times if we hear issue, the first thing wey dey come to our mind na which church they go, or whether this person na Muslim, or whether this person na traditionalist. Because I recall say former presido Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, he bin write letter give APC that time. Say make dem make sure say dem no get Muslim candidate. Say the thing no go good for this particular country. But before you answer that question, we go rush enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. No go anywhere now. Still as e dey hot. Will they come back? Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi and our ogbonge visitor, engineer Oluremi Omowaye, dey inside studio. And we dey discuss all the ogbonge tori wey we carry come this week. We don start from Monday go reach Thursday, and we dey on top of the small chops, the one we get to do with the whole kasala wey happen inside Osun State based on hijab. You know, they give us the first-hand information. That is the information when we say as it take happen na im e be. You know, they explain am to us, and we dey understand this particular picture. But before we go that break, I ask one question: say why e be say for a particular generation that like una set go up, Nkubi set go up, because we now will be the
go
future
down,
leaders of.
Please.
I will be the young generation.
Young generation. Who touch young generation?
You know, say as you wear cap like all the people when
don't I have the right to wear cap?
Which cap?
Please.
Why don't you wear your man cap? Why don't you wear your man cap?
As an old generation.
I say generation of.
I am a younger generation.
Which younger?
Younger.
Which younger?
Present generation.
Which younger? And you were in the Tafa Balewa Square on October 1st, 1960. You know that the picture. We never see him. You come here, they form younger. Which younger?
Please, just respect yourself. I'll ask your question.
Engineer, no offense. That's what they always do. I go ask question, I go turn out to fight.
What referring to 1960? Who care about that?
Okay, no offense. 1970.
No, either one. I know accept.
1975.
Ask your question.
1975.
I don't want.
Okay. Engineer, why if we say, we know, say, okay, if we look this particular generation, if we like say religion to them na something, it not dey our constitution, but they clear. If this man na president, the vice president must be Christian. If the president na Christian, the vice president must be Muslim. Why it dey like that? Because if you like say we don't dey carry am enter inside where our children dey. But before you answer them, Oga Solomon dey call us from Wari. Okay. You know where Wari dey. They make you no come avenge something. Oga Solomon, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Solomon, good morning. Okay.
So you go answer that question now. It shall not be like say we dey hand down something about religion to the next generation.
Well, wetin I go talk say I go blame one political party. For Osun, the Muslim plenty pass Christians small. And at the time, the governor Oyinola and the Relu Obada for 7 years, 2 of them they be Christian. Nobody complain. We tolerate ourselves. So wetin me I dey beg most of our religious organizations for be say, as we don't dey tolerate ourselves, for Osun, Muslim plenty pass. I think when they blame. The guy get 14 commissioner, 10 be Christian, 4 be Muslim, for state where we say Muslim plenty pass Christian. So make we dey cohabit. They come say APC now Muslim party. They want Islamatize Nigeria. I come laugh. Say on top, if you look at our Oga, Asiwaju be Baba Jagaban, in wife na Christian.
Strong Christian, oh.
Fashola, in wife na Christian.
Strong Christian, oh.
Amosun, in wife na Christian.
Strong Christian, oh.
Abdul Fattah, in wife na Christian.
He dey pray well.
Baba Kande, when gonna be Baba Salah, in wife and own children, they be Christian. So, Ajimobi for Ibadan, Famba Akanji, in wife na Christian. Practicing Christian. So they come, because of political difference, they come they call one party Muslim party.
Even our vice president no be just Christian, a strong pastor.
Strong pastor. So I can't talk say we don't need all those things in the name of politics. May God not allow us get emergency. If person get accident, they roll you enter hospital, and the person who want to attend to you now Muslim, or you not going to attend to you. So we cohabit. Make we learn to tolerate ourselves.
That cohabit to live together in peace.
Wetin dey important pass now, how we go put something inside our stomach. Whether na Muslim go make am come o, whether na Christian o, whether na traditional worship. In fact, you know wetin we dey do for Osun? For Osun, the governor say no want wahala. Any religion wey you wan practice. So traditional worshiper too, they practice their thing for Osun. So if we dey do any state function now, Muslim go pray. Christian go pray. Traditional worshiper too go
also
pray.
pray.
You know the funniest thing about Aregbesola? As Christian they allege am, Muslims too they talk say why you go they allow them they pray traditional worshiper? And the man talk say let us allow anybody to want to practice his or religion practice. That is what the constitution says. But because of unnecessary politics, look at this salary issue. You got this in only Osun money.
Very true.
Until Buhari talk say one give bailout.
Everybody
now
come
state come
other states come.
We got discover say some state hold 13 for Southwest now. We dey among, in fact for Nigeria, Osun dey amongst the few states wey pay salary this year. My bros for Ekiti when they chop this, he never pay anything this year.
Even the bros for Bayelsa. Even the bros for Bayelsa.
Bayelsa.
Is it not Bayelsa cap now?
Bayelsa,
Is it not Bayelsa cap?
No.
About 30%. He tell him.
I'm even referring to one of our bros in Imo State.
It's not our bros. Our bros is paying salary. Our bros, Ambode is paying salary. Your own bros.
How are you related to him? How?
Ambode, Chukwudi, syllable, 3 syllable. Ambode, Chukwudi. Nkubi.
3 syllables.
Which Nkubi? Nkubi.
Okay, Nkubi. Fayose.
He never Fayose. Fayose.
You don't do you.
He don't do me. Now you don't know say he do me. Thank you. Yesterday when they used to do example of governor, you dey happy. Now they don't use to do example of who know the best salary. You don't invest.
Let him address the question.
Engineer, we could just because of say time no day. It just be like say when we start 1 hour the way when it's in the fly.
They reach at all.
We could just allow you just give us your final word
take, yes.
based on say okay Nigerians so make we continue to support government when they committed or when get ginger to bring change come Nigeria then you come promise us say if we invite you again you go come.
Okay. Well, now our responsibility say make we dey pray for this government because if Nigeria good everybody go happy. Lagos Ibadan expressway na like 104 kilometer. For 16 years, they not fit do that road. As this country big reach and our power demand, we dey struggle do 4,000 megawatt. Now gas not even there again.
And it don't drop.
We get coal for Enugu, it dey for Kogi, it dey for Pt.2, it dey for. I dey happy say this government don't talk say they go tap into that.
Engineer, you know what happen? This one where you don't enter now. Now something we say another fresh topic.
Okay.
Another fresh topic. So we
matter.
I want beg
Exactly.
Nigerians say make them still. I know say things dey difficult to fuel to buy fuel. They don't they beg me say make I come this program tete. I tell them say to buy fuel from Osogbo come here. Na big money. So make we still get hope for this government. If we look the budget, a budget of hope.
In fact,
then opportunity plenty.
Exactly.
Make we look as we go tap into opportunity.
Thank you very much.
On Osun thing. Now misinformation be most of the things when they happen.
And we happy say you don't come here, come give us the right
not be that
information.
kind of person.
Engineer, we go shake your hand because you don't try.
Anytime when I call me, make na give me notice. So that I go try and save money.
Leave the hand now.
Our people waiting for us.
Leave the hand now.
Allow me to shake him now.
Leave the hand alone.
Code where?
Please.
Our people waiting for us. We tell them and say,
leave this hand.
My friend, I'm shaking this hand.
Leave this hand.
Which way?
Leave this hand.
Is it your hand?
Until Monday we go carry and go bonga matter. Leave this hand.
Is it your hand?
Bye bye.
Is it your hand?
Leave this hand alone. I'll fight to take personal with you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.